Okay, hello, it's Tatiana again, and this is Slovak lesson number 2. Today we have a look at correct punctuation in Slovak, which is of course a little bit different. If you can pronounce correctly in Slovak, it is important to read vowels and consonants with their specific Slovak punctuation. The typical punctuation is dlžeň, which actually makes the sound longer, like a, which is short, a, because here you see dlžeň punctuation mark, dlžeň. Let's read the sounds together. A, e, I, O, U, I, L, R. Then we've got mekčeň, like here with letter C. C, which is short, and č with mekčeň. Č, dž, š, ž, ť, d, ň, lj. Then we've got dve bodky, like a and e. I think it's a similar sound to Slovak white e. E. And vokáň. That's this. Actually, this mark. O, wo, wo, wo. That's gonna be difficult, I think. Okay, let's read some words. Meso, meso. Mať, mať. Ja mám, ja mám. Ty máš, ty máš. Môj džem, môj džem. And the last one, very nice word, ľúbim ťa, ľúbim ťa. I will read the words again. Meso, meso. Mať, mať. Ja mám, ja mám. Ty máš, ty máš. Môj džem, môj džem. Ľúbim ťa, ľúbim ťa. That's enough.